frozen still. Got my 5 meals. Let's see. This one is Moroccan lentil. I think I had that one. That one was pure deliciousness. This one is sweet potato puree. Okay. This one is butternut squash ratatouille. Excited about that one. Coconut curry rice bowl. That's gonna be delicious. I love coconut curry. We got Cuban black bean bowl. All right. So there's another. Ooh, let's see. I hope I don't get the same ones. I should freaking. Oh, that's that one. Okay, so this is the first one I've ever tried. That one definitely grew on me after like the 7th sip. Okay. And then we have carrot ginger smoothie. And up next we have, ooh, I'm so happy. I got the mint chip. Mint chip, hallelujah. I've been hearing really good things about that one. That one's the latest one. And then there's the green matcha smoothie. Ooh, excited about trying that. And lastly, we have our A, B, and J smoothie. That one was pretty awesome. I tried that one already as well. So that is what my order was for the week. And today, my last smoothie will be dragon fruit berry. I'm not feeling it so far, but we'll see. I wanted to show you guys the other last 2 meals that I have. I have this Moroccan spiced buckwheat. Probably eat that tonight. And then I have this one, masala chitri, or however you say it. Anywho, yep, that is it. Thank you so much.